Textron Systems has successfully delivered next generation of amphibious landing craft to U.S. Navy. The LCAC 101 next generation air cushion vehicle is the modern ship-to-shore connector, providing a modernized means to reach the world's shorelines for the next 30 years. The all-aluminum craft offers increased performance, reliability and maintainability and meets the Marine Corps requirements for increased payload and availability. It is a high-speed, over-the-beach, fully amphibious landing craft capable of carrying a 60 to 70-ton payload. It will primarily transport weapon systems, equipment, cargo, and personnel of the assault elements through varied environmental conditions from amphibious ships to and over the beach.